Hey guys, this is Dr. Moss with Moss Family Chiropractic coming to you from my kitchen. I'm here to answer one of the most frequently asked questions when it comes to eating healthier, which is mayonnaise still good for me? Can I still eat mayonnaise? And the answer is yes, if you make it yourself. So what I'm going to do today is teach you how to make your own mayonnaise from scratch. And you only need a couple of ingredients. The key really is using 100% pure olive oil. You do not want to use extra virgin olive oil. I've done it many times. It makes soup. So making sure that you're using pure olive oil. So what you're going to do is you're going to start off by using 2 organic egg yolks. So we're going to crack those eggs and get rid of the whites. And the other key here is having the right tools like a food processor. And the food processor is going to do all the work for you. Alright, so we have our 2 egg yolks. I'll rinse my hands real quick. And then we are going to follow the recipe by using a teaspoon of dry mustard. And we're just dump this all in here. We're going to use a half a teaspoon of pure sea salt. And 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And I like to use the stuff that has the mother in the bottom, so the stuff that's cloudy, whether you're using Bragg's or a Kirkland brand. So we're going to do a tablespoon of vinegar. All right. Now we're going to put the top on. We're going to make sure this is all nice and solid. And one of the key here is using this piece when it comes to using your food processor. It has a little hole in the bottom, so all you do is you pour all your oil in there, and it has a little steady stream in there. So pouring it in a steady stream is key. So let's go ahead and turn this on, and then we're going to go ahead and pour this in the top. And we're just going to wait. And just like that, in under 5 minutes, you have rich, creamy, healthy mayonnaise. And we typically use our mayonnaise to make those creamy recipe, dressings like blue cheese dressing, Caesar dressing, ranch, and we use it to make chicken salad. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you again next time.